We've known Andy Sees for quite a while now from Bedford CNC. Now, he's made some recent acquisitions which he thought he would never be able to do. So let's go and find out what he's bought. And if I'd have said to you 2 years, 18 months ago, are these machines a realm of possibility to you? What would your answer have been?
The answer would have been no, Colin, because it's probably out of my financial range, or technically, just wouldn't even come into it.
Never even contemplated it?
No.
Absolutely.
No.
What happened?
Got in touch with DMG MORI, and a week later, a proposal came through for possibly 3 machines. 2 of them are 5-axis machines, and the one that we've got behind us.
And what is that?
It's a CMX 800V.
Now, why did you go that option?
Because we were doing predominantly 3-axis milling at the time, and it was the only one on there was 3-axis, and
okay.
The deal was good. The financial package was brilliant. Rob did a really good job as well. So.
Now, you've had that one about 14 months now?
Yeah, about 14 months.
How's it performed?
It's brilliant, unbelievable. Yeah.
Why did you say that?
Because it's quick, it's easy to set. The control is Siemens control we went for, and it's so easy to program and to set the machine. Yeah.
Okay. Now, if I said to you, right, you got this one. If I said to you, say 12 months ago, 2 DMG Moris, was that in sort of feasible, realistic?
No, I'd have laughed probably.
Okay. Well, you are laughing now because what have you gone and done?
I've gone and got an M1 Pro. So.
Why?
It's replaced a Bridgeport that we had that was like over 20 years old. So it's a little bit bigger in the footprint, the M1. So it's a good replacement.
You say the footprint's slightly bigger, but the envelope is a lot bigger.
Yeah, the envelope's a lot bigger. Yeah, it's certainly in Y. It's 550 in Y and 550 in X.
And again, I'm presuming Rob came up with a nice package for you.
Yeah, we've gone for top of the range, so we've got 12,000 RPM spindle through coolant, really to match what the CMX does, so that we can just transfer programs from one to the other.
Right, so that can free up work if you've got a bit of a bottleneck.
Yeah, that's the idea.
That's the idea, big smiley face. I also noticed eagle-eyed amongst us, 4th axis you've got as well.
As down to Rob as well, we went for the 4th axis, and it's a layman one, and it all fitted in with what we're doing.
Okay, so the jobs you're doing then, so you're obviously always looking for work. What sort of work do you want?
Batch work, really.
Yep.
Sort of 10 up, anything from 10 off upwards, in any material, just whatever comes through the door.
Any material, any industry?
Any industry, any material, just send us an email and see where we go.
So, Andy, if I come back in, say, 6, 12 months, is there going to be a DMG Mori mill turn machine here?
I don't know.
I bet there will be. So any work at the moment, milling, and you do have turning facilities as well. Any industry, get in contact with Andy and the team, Bedford CNC.